Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to take a look at how we can navigate from one page to another and directing the flow of navigation in the website. So let's get started. So as you can see, we are currently on the landing page and we haven't logged in into the website. So let's quickly log into the website and see where it takes us. .com and the password logging in. So as you can see, we are currently on the same exact page where we were a minute before, except that the login and the sign up button is not there and we are currently logged in. So now let's say that we want to navigate to the home page after logging in into the website. So let's see how we can go about doing that. So let's go ahead into the bubble editor and we are currently on the index page, which is this the landing page. So we can go ahead, click on workflow, and as you can see we have a whole workflow set up for us, and the thing that we want to focus on is going from the landing page, that is the index page, to the home page. So I've already created a home page. As you can see from the preview, it is a small another landing page for the product, so that's where I want to go to. So basically we are taking the current user to the home page. So that's basically a small example to show the navigation. So to do that, I have selected this. So currently we are on go to page index and the user is logged in. Yes, we are currently logged in. So that's check mark, and the current user's role is not app admin. So we are not the app admin. We are just a general user like every other user. So to check the role of the current user, we can go to app data, all user, and click on this tiny pencil mark to see. And here you can see that the role is standard, and we are by default it is standard because we have created an account from outside the website and we haven't really clicked on new entry to create an entry. If we were to create a new entry from here, we would by default be an admin itself. So yeah, so we are currently on the standard, so that's great. We are standard user, which means we are not the app's admin. So yeah, that's a check mark there. So now we want to direct the page, that is the index page, to the home page. So to do that, you can go ahead and click on this. Click here to add an action. So we are going to add an action called navigation and go to page. And the page that we want to go to is a destination page. That is the home page. As you can see here, this is the page that we want to go to. So yeah, so that's there. So it is all nice and set up. So we can go ahead and click on preview, or we can go to the page right here and click on this. This will take a few seconds to load, to refresh, and yeah, and we have refresh, but we have to log out and log in to see the results. So I'm going to go ahead and log out. We are logged out. So now let's quickly log in again. So we are logged in and it's redirecting to this page, which is great. So using this method, you can literally direct any page to any page. So yeah, I hope you learned something from this video and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.